Dear students, in this video I will solve the specimen question paper of Biology icse 2025, that is for the upcoming session 2024-25. It has already been issued by the council on their website cisc.org for all the subjects. So here is the question paper for biology, that is science paper 3, section A, out of which section A again consists of 15 MCQs. So let's see first the MCQs, that is question number 1. The loop of Henle lies in renal medulla, that is answer number B. Antiseptic present in tears is lysozyme, not lysosome, because lysosome is a part of a cell that is also called suicidal bag, but lysozyme is the antiseptic enzyme that kill the germs in the tears. So that is lysozyme, answer number C. Next is assertion reason. The fetus respires but does not breathe, that is true. The maternal blood supplies oxygen to the fetus through placenta, that is also true. So answer number C is true, that is both A and R are true. During ventricular systole, the atrioventricular walls, that is P dash, and semilunar walls Q dash. वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल मतलब कि जब वेंट्रिकल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं या जिस टाइम वेंट्रिकल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो सेमी ल्यूनर वॉल्स जो होते हैं वो ओपन हो जाते हैं और एट्रियोवेंट्रिकुलर वॉल्स जो होते हैं वो क्लोज हो जाते हैं, सो दैट द बैक फ्लो ऑफ द ब्लड इज प्रिवेंटेड. सो हेयर द आंसर नंबर इज A, that is P close and Q open. Next we come to question number 5th. That is, the two cerebral hemispheres are joined by a sheet of fibers called as corpus callosum. Answer number D is correct. The onset of menstruation human females is called menarche, that is B. Rods and cones are photoreceptors in the sclera of the eyeball, that is false. Retina, it is present in retina, and rods are sensitive to dim light, that is true. So A is false and R is true. So answer number B is correct. Here question number 8. Priya tried to match the hormone with their effects in the body. So for the what is the effect of P? Stimulate conversion of glycogen to glucose, that is done by glucagon, and regulates the absorption of water by the nephrons, that is done by vasopressin. So here the answer will be C. Next question is question number 9. While studying the stages in the evolution of man, a well-developed chin is observed in Homo sapiens, that is answer C. A pair of corresponding chromosomes of similar shape and size from each parent is called homologous chromosomes, that is answer number D. We urinate more in summer, that is wrong, and sweat glands are more active in summer, that is true. So A is false and R is true, that is answer number B is correct here. Rahul inserted a hairpin in his ear and he was unable to listen hear now, so that is due to the rupture of eardrum. So answer number 12 is A. Next is answer number question number 13. Green all food chain begin with herbivorous and green plants are heterotrophs. Both are wrong. All food chains start with autotrophs and green plants are also autotrophs. So both are false. So answer number D is correct. Both A and R are false. Here a biology teacher asked give two example of vestigial organ. Raj said wisdom teeth and pinna, that is correct. Sonu said body hair and large intestine, that is wrong. Lata said vermiform appendix and wisdom tooth, that is again correct. And here ossicles are not vestigial. So here Raj and Lata are correct. So answer number C is correct. Next is during a practical exam, a particular solution was placed under a compound microscope and a student was asked to observe the tonicity of the solution and the process. So this is in this figure you are seeing the protoplasm is shrinked. So that means that solution is hypertonic and it is due to the exoosmosis of process. So answer number D is correct here. Next we come to the question number 2. Question number 2, first part is name the following. That is now in this time they have given you on the side that which type of question is there. It is recall, understanding, analysis, recall, understanding type of question is there. The basic unit of heredity is genes. The undesirable change in the environment leading to the deterioration is pollution. The structure that connects placenta and human fetus is the umbilical cord. And the statistical study of human population is called demography. The nitrogenous base that pairs with adenine is thymine. Next question is a diagrammatic question in which you have been given the diagram of a spinal cord. Some portion they have given you a paragraph here, written paragraph about spinal cord, and another paragraph you have to fill in with the appropriate words, that is a recall and application based program. The spinal cord is a part of central nervous system. The gray matte picture was is given above consists of cytons, while the white matter consists of axons. The spinal cord is concerned with the reflex actions below the neck, and vertebral column is the bony structure that protects the spinal cord. Next question is based on analysis, and you have to arrange it in a proper sequence starting from the name that is underlined here, auxin. So auxin is produced. I have already done this. I have already written all the answers. So let me show you here the answers I have written. Auxin is produced in apical meristem, which causes cell elongation, which in turn causes the positive phototropism. Next is ureter, kidney. Kidney produces ureter. Ureter goes to urinary bladder, and urinary bladder in turn leads to urethra. Auditory canal present in ear, and then in the middle ear you have malleus and then stapes. Incus is missing here, and in the inner ear you have organ of Corti. Chromatin fibers in nucleus, then we move outward in the cell, cytoplasm, then we get cell membrane, and then we get cell wall. In the heart, inferior vena cava leads to right auricle, which in turn leads to right ventricle, it is missing, and then we get to pulmonary artery, which in turn leads to lungs. Next question is, you have to read the given description and then you have to name the structure involved. So here first is food conducting tissue in the vascular plants, that is phloem. Cell formed by the fusion of gametes, that is zygote. The smallest blood vessel in the human body, that is capillaries. Next is a tubular passage which connects pharynx with the middle ear, that is Eustachian tube, and the openings in the barks of trees through which transpiration occurs, that is lenticels. Next, you have been given a diagrammatic question. Again, it is an analytical question. You have to match it with their appropriate functions. So A is optic nerve, and its function is to transmit nerve impulse to the brain. B is vitreous humor, and its function is to protect retina. C is the suspensory ligament, which regulates the size of the. Okay, next is number C, that is iris, and the answer is it regulates the size of the pupil. Next is D, that is aqueous humor, answer is 4, keeps the lens moist. And E is, the only function remaining here is 3, that is alters the shape of the lens, so that is again suspensory ligaments and ciliary body are in turn related to it. So it is not very clear which is suspensory ligament and ciliary body. So E may be a ciliary body which alters the shape of the lens. So these are the functions of the eye diagram, and you have to match it. You have to write it correctly in front of the correct answer. So I have written here all the answers of section A that you can see here. The diagram is slightly blurred, but just you have to look which functions match which structure, and then you can match it, because in black and white paper there might be a slight confusion about the especially in diagrammatic questions. So you have to attempt it carefully, and the next video we will discuss section B.